Hi, welcome back. In this video, we'll learn how to use the delay data task in vDesigner. This task is to control the timing of task execution. Specifically, we'll configure a flow where an OTP input element triggers two tasks, enable and visible/invisible, but the second task will execute after a 10-second delay using the delay data task. Open the canvas and select the OTP input element. Go to the Events panel and select the onCompletion event. Click the plus icon to add a new task group and then click on Create New. Enter the task group name as OTP Delay TG and click on Create. Inside the newly created task group, add an Enable task to enable a specific text element, enter OTP again, and add a Visible/Invisible task to make the recent OTP text visible. Now, insert a delay task before the Visible/Invisible task. Purpose: to delay the visibility of the recent OTP element by 10 seconds after OTP input is completed. Search for and add a delay data task between the enable and visible tasks. Set the execution to sequential, second. In the time, seconds field, open the Smart Selector. Then go to Functions and select Static Function and enter the value 10. And select Number as the return type. This ensures the visibility task runs 10 seconds after the enable task. Click Update, then OK. Now click Apply, then Save. Set this page as the Home page. Finally, click Commit to confirm your changes. Now go to Settings tab and on Click Deploy, then confirm the deployment. Now navigate to the Download sections and launch your web build. In the Launched app, enter a valid OTP. Observe that the Enter OTP Again field is immediately enabled. Wait 10 seconds. The recent OTP text should now become visible. Thank you for watching and happy learning.